Hello, Dr. Emmerich. It's Caleb Wilmot with ISI 306. This is assignment 4. So at the beginning, I initialize a string accumulator variable that I will use and a counter variable. I go ahead and print the instructions for the program, and then we enter the main while loop. I use a while loop because it's going to ask continuously for more input until the user enters no. And so the first thing I'm going to do is to increment our counter variable. I will ask for input, and then I need to make sure that input is valid. So if it doesn't equal, I'll skip all the way down here to this else. If it's not going to equal no or yes, it'll print invalid input, please try again. And then it will decrement x so that at the end we don't have our line counter variable off when we go to print. And then it'll go back to the start and ask for more input. But anyway, if it is a yes, and then it will print please enter your line, and then the user will enter their lyrics, and the lyrics will be put into this variable line input, and then I will use the line accumulator. So it'll say line 1, and then it'll add the lyrics, concatenating to this string called line accumulator until the user enters no. It'll break right here out of the while loop, and then it'll print the line accumulator variable. So if we go ahead and run this program, and so even though I made those mistakes, the output the program decrements the loop counter so that the output is still 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you have it.